Hi guys, I think you are expecting my head, but I'm sorry. While doing my camera setting that I was missed today, so that most of the standing exercises I lost my head. And today the starting exercise is jumping jacks. It was a warm up exercise, so don't worry about it. It was 25 seconds, so nothing to worry. And the second exercise newly we have tried is in our workout is Russian twist. Russian twist 50 repetitions. You can do it easily. It was mostly helpful for the abdominal and side fat, which was there lied that will be reduced due to Russian twist. And the third exercise we are going for tricep dips. Triceps, you already know, it was mostly about the arms strength, strength to the arms and triceps. So we have done 16 repetitions. We can do it easily, nothing to worry. And next one is our favorite one, Superman. Superman we are doing continuously on every day of our workout. It was 26 repetitions, and after 10 or 15 repetitions you would be mostly strained away. So please do it, nothing to worry. You can do it Superman also 26 repetitions. And after this we are going for step on the chair. Step on the chair is mostly related to the leg strength. Your leg strength will be increased by the step on the chair. So we are doing 24 repetitions, 12 repetitions on right side and 12 repetitions on left side of your leg. You have to stand up on, you have to get down. And after doing this 5 exercises now I got little tired, so I'm relaxing. And next we are going for lunges, 40 repetitions. Lunges is very helpful for strength of sculpture. It is useful for back strength also, hips also, and you can do running and cycling easily if you do daily these lunges. And we are going for the next exercise, and the next exercise is curtly lunges. Sorry, we are going for the next exercise is curtly lunges. Fine, curtly lunges is 40 repetitions, and curtly lunges also one of the branch of the lunges. Curtly lunges helps you to become good posture. It reduces your back pain, knee pain also. If you are getting knee pain, you do the curtly lunges, it will be very helpful for you. And 40 repetitions, 20 repetitions on the right side leg and 20 repetitions on the left side leg. So don't worry about it. And next, finally the plank. Plank 1 minute we are doing, this is the first time. 1 minute plank came in our workout. On the 13th day of our workout we are doing the plank. Almost your strength and stamina has increased from 30 seconds, 40 seconds, and now finally 60 seconds. 50 to 60 seconds it will test you. It will test your stamina and patience. But you have to prove it that your stamina has increased from beginner level to intermediate level. So don't worry, just keep hard. If you are getting strain in the stomach, then you can do it regularly. And next one, high stepping. High stepping is the difficult exercise I ever see. So I almost do 15 seconds or 20 seconds and I will take rest. But I'm not able to complete 25 seconds. Maybe it can be in the next video, maybe I can complete the 25 seconds. And next one is knee push-ups. Knee push-ups we are doing 16 repetitions. Knee push-ups and normal push-ups, what is the difference is you will get 15% discount in knee push-ups than the normal push-ups. So it was mainly chest, shoulder and arms. And next exercise is long arm crunches. Long arm crunches 40 repetitions. Long arm crunches up to the 30 repetitions you can do it. I also, you can see that I am also forcefully getting and sleeping, forcefully getting and doing this. But we are committed to one thing, that 40 days we have to reduce our weight. So please complete it. You can take meanwhile some breaks like 30 seconds, 1 minute and do completely. And next one, left lunge knee hops. Left lunge knee hops is mainly for stability, balancing, coordination, strength to your lower body. It is mainly for abdominal muscles also. So don't worry, you will get smallly unbalanced situations meanwhile. Starting you do left lunge hops like 20-25 repetitions. After that, right lunge knee hops 25 repetitions. If you are getting more strain, just take 30 seconds break and you do it. Yeah, sometimes you will get some breaks, like you will feel unbalancing, but just you wait and do it, no problem. It is very helpful for abdominal muscles. And finally, we are going with the plank exercise, 30 seconds. Plank is one of the best exercise for reduce fat. If you are concentrated on the belly fat, you do plank. Definitely it will help you more and more. Before that we have done 1 minute, and finally while closing we are doing 30 seconds of plank. Don't worry, there was a trick while doing the plank exercise. I will explain in the next video. And while closing the episode, if you want, I will do regularly the skipping. You can see here also my head is missing, but I am so sorry. Because of that camera setting na, I just missed something to make some clarifications. So please do follow, subscribe our channel. Bye.